Serving Central New Jersey, Binsky Home is a trusted provider of HVAC services to homes of all shapes and sizes. Our main concern is to ensure the comfort, health, and safety of you and your family, and your pets too. Binsky Home offers full-service heating and cooling comfort expertise for your home. You can trust your home to Binsky Home for all your home comfort needs. When it comes to air conditioning, we've got you covered. We'd like to take a moment to highlight our cooling services and provide some helpful tips to keep your systems running like new. For starters, a great way to minimize operating costs and extend the life of your cooling system is to have your air conditioner serviced once a year in the spring. In addition, regularly changing the system's filters is a top way for homeowners to save money and maintain a healthy home environment. Wondering if it's time to replace your current AC system? If your unit is more than 10 to 15 years old, it may be time to look into replacing your air conditioner. Here are some signs that it might be time to replace your air conditioner. Frequent repairs, high energy bills, noisy system, rooms are too cold or too warm. Binsky Home can help you address any of these issues by providing a full analysis of your current system's condition and offering a range of solutions that meet your specific needs. We can even add central air to homes that don't have it yet. Newer systems are more energy efficient, resulting in lower utility bills. If you need to add central air to your home, be sure to ask us about our ductless cooling systems, which are designed to provide maximum comfort, control, and efficiency. Whether you're maintaining, repairing, or replacing your heating, cooling, or plumbing systems, you can always count on Binsky Home to provide outstanding service while offering the best heating and cooling products available on the market. Our quality services are backed by our 100% customer satisfaction guarantee, and our #1 goal is always the comfort and happiness of our customers. For more information, give us a call at 732-369-0400, or for great deals and coupons, please visit us on the web at binskyhome.com. Your comfort, your health, and your satisfaction are what we value most. As we say here at Binsky Home, have a healthy, comfortable home.